Hey guys, it's your girl Roxy and Cassidy in the background. Today I just wanted to hop on here and wrap and style my hair. Pretty much. Are you mocking me? Why are you mocking me? I have been killing you guys with wig videos lately, so I decided to pop in and give you guys a short hair pixie cut video. My hair is washed, but it's drying ever so quickly, so I'm gonna go wet it again so I don't have to use an enormous amount of mousse. Okay, so I took off my black shirt, but I'm definitely wearing a tube top. See? I'm gonna be using Nairobi Rapid Shine foaming lotion today.
And my mommy wrap your hair. Can you wrap your hair?
You wanna wrap my hair?
Yeah.
Maybe when I get older. When you get older, you can wrap my hair.
Okay.
I'll teach you.
Okay.
But by then, I'll probably be natural, so
Okay.
you won't have to. Especially up here, I want to make sure that all the mousse is in the root because there's a lot of new growth in here. I didn't relax this part of my hair, like this portion of my hair, in the root, at least the last time I did a relaxer. So it has more texture in there. I just want to make sure that it's nice and wrapped. Alright, so now I'm just going to use my white Rapid Junior strips. To wrap my hair. So I'm going to go dry my hair and I'm going to be back to style this. We're going to put on some makeup and get cute. Right, Cass?
I'm pressing the button.
Alright, I'll be back. Cassidy's here with me eating chips, so if you hear her crunching in the back, it's her. After drying my hair, I also made some breakfast. Had avocado, toast, eggs. Oh, I also had pineapples. Yeah, so I had breakfast. So if you see any food in my teeth, on my face, that's why. So my wrap looks like this. I didn't make a definite part, and I do need a haircut as well. But we're gonna work with what we have right now. All right, so today I'm gonna be using my 1-inch flat iron to curl my hair. And I'm going to be using this one. So I'm going to put it down to 410. It goes all the way up to 450, but I don't think that's necessary. So I'm just going to keep it at 410. So I'm going to be using my heat protector spray. This one is from Tresemme. You like the spray too? I like that the spray is not super heavy either, so it's not going to weigh my hair down. And I was giving it some pumps, so I haven't flat ironed my hair in so long. It's been like a couple months, so
Couple months.
yeah, girl, a couple months.
Couple months.
All right, let's start with up here.
I need the purple ones for the.
Ooh, look at that steam. Jeez Louise. Is this too much? Okay, I'm gonna turn this down to 360 Fahrenheit because the 410 has my hair steaming. Say let's, huh? Ooh, this is hot.
Is it hot?
Oh my gosh. Or is it because of the flat iron spray why it's so steamy? Jeez. All right, let's try this. I don't remember this flat iron being that deadly. Now that like most of it is pretty much curled, I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb. You guys already know this needs to be in your arsenal. Okay, and I'm just gonna smooth everything out because I want to take out the auntie curls, and I want it to look more soft and not hard. So I'm just gonna take my head tie. I call it a head tie. All right, and I'm just gonna tie my hair with this. So this is gonna be me until my makeup is done. Look, and Cassidy decided to do something. Do you want to show them your makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah? There's no controlling her, really. But she's like, I look good. You look good? Okay, sorry. Sit down. Okay, sit down on me. Okay. Do you like it? What color are your lips?
Pink.
Huh?
Pink.
Pink. And what about your eyes? Yeah, okay. You feel good? Alright, and I love your headband. I want to put on my new earrings. that I added to my collection on KURIO BOLD. I wore these in my last video, I think, but I think they're so cute and I'm actually addicted to them. But I want to see how it looks with my short hair, like when everything is done. All right, so I'm gonna take off my head tie now. Hopefully I have enough makeup on my forehead. So everything is flat, and I'm just gonna take like the wide tooth comb and kind of comb it out. Give it some texture. Do you like my hair, Cass?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you have enough lipstick, Cassidy. This is gonna last me for, I would say, maybe 2 days. Like if I wear my head tie to bed every night, moisturize it before I put the head tie on as well, and wrap it nice and tight. Yeah, so that's pretty much my mold and style. I love how my makeup turned out. Guys, let me know what you guys think. I feel super pretty. I'm gonna take some pictures like I mentioned. If you guys want to purchase these earrings or any other earrings that you see me wearing in my videos, you can check out KURIOBOLD.ca. I'll leave the link below as well, and you can get 10% off. I know I'm so kind. Using the code BOLD10. There you go, you're welcome. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you just want to say hey. And as usual, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.